meaning of my name is officer. Like in Arabic language, Dabit, but in Azerbaijan language is Zabit. Okay? People who is living in Baku, they are working and living in different countries. They are working and living in Russia, in Turkey, in Georgia, in European countries, in America, in Arabic countries as well. So that's why the approximately the population of Baku is approximately 3 million. Azerbaijan is the Muslim country. We have just two parts of the Muslims. One part is the Sunni part, another part is the Shia part. Okay, 60% of population is Shia part, 40% of population is Sunni part. We don't have any problem between Sunnis and Shias. We don't have any problem with each other. We are brothers, okay? And we have the main holidays in our country. Who is praying that people are celebrating Ramadan holiday and Eid holiday? Who is not praying that people are celebrating Nowruz and Christmas holiday? And them easily, and they can understand us easily. And the second language is Arabic language, approximately 100 words is the same with the Azerbaijan language, and also Arabic language, and also Urdu and Hindi language, like Dost, same, Dushman, same, Shahid, same, Kabristan, same, Mazar, same. Okay, some words is the same with the Azerbaijan language. By the way, I can speak fluently English language, Russian language, Turkish language, Spanish language, and Toro Urdu and Hindi. Okay.